Hello, welcome back again with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share video and subscribe. The only dovish element that is immediately after the Fed is incremental policy change to Fed funds at coming meeting. Alan Ruskin, macro strategists at the QCS Bank, said in a note day. However, even here, do not expect Powell to resolve the 50 BP versus 75 BP the before the September meeting. Ruskin said, noting that the Fed will want to see August jobs and inflation data before making a decision. Fed funds future trade are pricing in a 65% chance of a Fed rate hike of another 75 basis points at its September meeting, and a 35% probability of a 50 basis point increase. The dollar index fell 0.15% to 108. It is holding just below a 20-year high of 109 realized on July 14. The currency again higher after data on Tuesday showed the U.S. economy contracted at more moderate pace than initially thought in the second quarter. The euro was unchanged against the greenback on the day at. The single correction bracket rose back above parity overnight before setting after the release of closely watched index showing business morally in Germany in August, falling to its lowest since June 2020. European Central Bank policy marker meeting last month followed interesting consensus that high inflation was getting interest. Consulted even as the risk of a recession in the bloc. The only dovish element that is immediately after the Fed is incremental policy change to Fed funds at coming meeting. Alan Ruskin, macro strategist at the QCS Bank, said in a note day. However, even here, do not expect Powell to resolve the 50 BP versus 75 BP the before the September meeting. Ruskin said, noting that the Fed will want to see August jobs and inflation data before making a decision. Fed funds future trade are pricing in a 65% chance of a Fed rate hike of another 75 basis points at its September meeting, and a 35% probability of a 50 basis point increase. The dollar index fell 0.15% to 108. It is holding just below a 20-year high of 109 realized on July 14. The currency again higher after data on Tuesday showed the U.S. economy contracted at more moderate pace than initially thought in the second quarter. The euro was unchanged against the greenback on the day at. The single correction. Maybe that's all from me. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.